Hi guys, this is Coach Ideal from ZMath Academy, and today's lecture is on solving linear equations now involving fraction. Okay, as I know a lot of students always freak out when they see fraction, so I'll try to explain and show it how simple it can be done. Okay, so in this example we have x over 2 on the left hand side equals to 7 minus x on the right hand side. So as I always tell my students, always remove the fractions. Okay, always remove the fractions. We don't want to solve equations with fractions. So how do we remove the fraction? On the left hand side we have x over 2. So to remove the 2, we bring it to the left hand side. To the right hand side. Okay, so what happens if you bring the 2 to the right hand side? It simply becomes x equals to this 2 that we brought over from left to the right multiply 7 minus x. Okay, notice that I have put a bracket for this 7 minus x. Previously there wasn't any bracket. The reason why is because this number 2 has to be multiplied to the whole thing here. 2 has to be multiplied by 7 minus x. If we do not put the bracket, it will just be 2 and then just 7 minus x. It can be seen as 2 7 minus x, and students can interpret this as 27 minus x. So to avoid any confusion, we don't write this way, we write this way with the brackets. Okay, so now our job is slightly easier. There's no fraction, but we have brackets. So we expand this bracket to get 14 minus 2x. And from previous examples, let's keep all the unknowns to one side. So let's bring this minus 2x to this side. And we will get x plus 2x equals to 14. So 3x equals to 14. And continuing here, x is equals to 14 divided by 3. We divided by 3 because this 3 will go down to the right hand side. Okay, so it is normal, it's perfectly alright to get an answer with a fraction like this. You don't have to express in mixed number. 14 over 3 is just fine. Alright, okay, this is another example with fractions, but this time on both sides of the equations we have fractions. So again, we don't want to solve equation with fractions, so what we are going to do is cross multiply. We bring up this 2 to the left hand side, we bring up this 3 to the right hand side, and not forgetting we must put on the brackets. So this is what we get for the left hand side. We have 2 brackets x minus 2 equals 3 brackets 3x minus 5. Okay, so there's no more fractions, but there's brackets, so let's expand this bracket to get 2x minus 4 equals 9x minus 15. Okay, so now we have to group all the unknowns together, and all the numbers together. From my observation, I know 9x is bigger than 2x, so I will bring this 2x to the right hand side, and so I will bring this minus 15 to the left hand side. Okay, so what I am going to get is on the left hand side I'm going to get 15 minus 4 equals to 9x minus 2x. Okay, so I have here 11 minus equals to 7x. So I will continue here. X is equals to 11 over 7. Solve. Okay,